The moon has been with us for billions of years, shaping tides, guiding explorers, and inspiring myths. But when we look at it through the lens of science, the moon reveals itself as something far more complex than just Earth's silent companion. Today, we're breaking down 5 amazing facts about the moon that challenge the way we understand it, and maybe even the way we understand ourselves. Fact 1. The moon is slowly escaping Earth. Measurements with lasers bounced off Apollo mission reflectors show the moon is receding from Earth at about 3.8 centimeters per year. That's because the gravitational pull between Earth and the moon creates tidal friction. Earth's rotation drags the tidal bulge slightly ahead of the moon, transferring energy and pushing it farther away. The long-term consequence? Earth's rotation will slow down, lengthening our days. Hundreds of millions of years from now, a single Earth day may last 25 hours. This process reminds us that celestial mechanics aren't static, they're constantly evolving systems. Fact 2. The moon rings like a bell. When Apollo seismometers detected vibrations lasting almost an hour after impacts, scientists realized the moon's interior doesn't behave like Earth's. Instead of dissipating seismic energy quickly, the moon's dry, rigid crust allows shockwaves to echo for long periods. This tells us the moon is geologically distinct. It lacks the water and convection currents inside Earth that absorb energy. In other words, the ringing bell isn't evidence of hollowness. It's evidence of a world that cooled rapidly and froze into a more crystalline structure, preserving seismic energy. Fact 3. Moonlight is an illusion. The moon doesn't emit light. It actually reflects about 12% of the sunlight that hits it, thanks to its dusty regolith surface. But why does it look so bright in the night sky? The answer lies in contrast perception. Against the dark backdrop of space, even a relatively dim reflection seems brilliant. This is a subtle reminder of how human perception can distort reality. The moon appears to glow, but in truth, we're seeing a projection of sunlight altered by perspective and reflection. Fact 4. The moon carries the remains of another planet. The giant impact hypothesis suggests a Mars-sized planet, Theia, collided with Earth about 4.5 billion years ago. Instead of destroying Earth, the collision ejected debris that eventually coalesced into the moon. Here's the analytical twist. Isotopic studies of lunar rocks show they are nearly identical to Earth's mantle. That means Theia didn't just collide and vanish, it likely fused with Earth, leaving part of its mass in the moon. This theory reframes the moon not as a separate body but as a shared relic of planetary collision, making it a geological sibling of Earth itself. Fact 5. The moon holds water and potential for colonization. For decades, the moon was assumed to be bone dry, but NASA's L-Cross mission in 2009 revealed water ice hidden in permanently shadowed craters near the poles. The reason it survives there? These craters never see sunlight, creating natural deep freeze traps. From an analytical perspective, this discovery has profound implications. Water can be split into oxygen for life support and hydrogen for fuel. That means the moon could serve not just as a destination, but as a launching hub for deeper space missions. The economics of space exploration may one day depend on how effectively we can tap into this lunar resource. So, when we break it down, the moon is drifting away due to tidal mechanics, its seismic activity reveals a frozen interior, its light is an illusion of perception, it may carry the legacy of a lost planet, and it could one day become humanity's fuel station for Mars and beyond. The moon is not just a silent companion, it's a dynamic archive of planetary history and a potential stepping stone to our future in space. Question for you, if the moon really is Earth's sibling, do you think humanity should treat it as a place to colonize, or as a relic of cosmic history to preserve?